You are going to love the 2016 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.